Hey guys, it's Allison and welcome back to my channel. Alrighty guys, so in today's video we have another double unboxing for BoxyCharm. If you saw the last video, which you should see previous to this one, I did April and May. So in today's video we are going to do June and July, and then I will be caught up for when I receive my August box. I usually don't get mine until closer to the end of the month, and I will be out of town at that point, so I probably will not get that one up in August either, but that's okay. Let's go with the June box first, of course. Okay, so let's see what goodies we have inside. So first we have this really cute card. It says Dare to Dazzle. So cute. Okay, the first item in the box is a Dazzle stick by KVD Beauty. Looks like this. Oops, I'm holding it backwards. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a darker box. Let's take it out. Come on. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's open it some. Kind of like a bronzy orange color. Let's see if it says on here. It is called Forest Field. Let me see if I can get a little swatch of it for you guys. Ooh, okay, this is really cool. Check that out, you guys. How pretty is that? It's really creamy too when you swatch it. It's a really nice formula. All right, let's set that aside. The next item is by Love Script. It says your body is a temple, worship it, and it is a body wash in the scent Wild Lavender. This smells amazing. Unfortunately, I cannot use lavender, so I will probably give this to my mother-in-law to use. Okay, the next item is by Luna Magic, and it is a Vava Pink Lash Primer. So let's open this up. Ooh, I love this tube. Check this out, you guys. How cute is that? It's like a nice matte texture. Ooh, and it actually is pink. That is really cool. I'm excited to use this. I've honestly actually never used a lash primer, which I feel kind of embarrassed saying that, but you know, it is what it is. I haven't. So I'm definitely going to be excited to try that out. Okay, next up is the OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. So I actually already have this because my best friend gave me one for either Christmas or my birthday. So I already have it, but look how pretty this is, you guys. Like, check this out. Is that not so gorgeous? Okay, so let's do a couple of swatches because I'll just go ahead and keep it. Okay, so first I want to go over this Show shade. Oh my gosh, again, these buttery formulas, you guys, like, I'm obsessed. This is such a fun pink color. Do you guys see that? That is so pretty. Let me get a makeup wipe here so I can go into another shade. Okay. So next I want to swatch Dream, which is this gorgeous blue right here on the bottom. I have a feeling this is going to be really pretty. That would actually be kind of pretty with the pink that I swatched. Like, yeah, kind of living for that right now. Okay, let's do one of the matte shades now. I think I want to go over Star, which is this really pretty red right here. Again, such an amazing texture. Ooh, that's really pretty. Check that out, you guys. How gorgeous are these colors? I cannot wait to use this palette. I actually have not even used it yet, even the one that my friend gave me. So I'm excited to try a look with it. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram as well, because I do post a lot of my makeup looks over there when I do looks that I didn't film a video for. I will put a tag, I think right here at the bottom on the video. I will also put it in the description below, but my name over there is Allison_N_Wonderland, and that's WUNDERLAND. So be sure to go check me out over there. Okay, let's get into the final item. and then we will go over the card. So the final item is by Touch in Soul, and it is the hashtag Glow Dent Makeup Palette. Super cute packaging. Come on. Ooh, check this out, you guys. The compact is really pretty. Ooh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Check this out. Is that not so pretty? So it is a Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Face Palette. So pretty. Okay, let me put this back in the box and then we will go over the items on the card. Alright, you guys, so let's go over everything with the card. So the first item on the card is the OPV Beauty Spotlight Palette, which goes for $40. Next is the KVD Beauty Dazzle Stick Eyeshadow. That full retail is $22. Next is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. That is a new launch, or was a new launch in this box since I'm behind. And that full retail is $34. The next item is the Luna Magic Beauty Vava Voom Pink Lash Primer. This was also a new launch and it full retail is $25. And then the final item is the Love Script Wild Lavender Body Wash. Full retail is $28. So let me put all of these items back and then we will get into the box for July. Alright, you guys, so now let's go ahead and open the July box. Okay, so I am loving the card for this month because I am a huge nautical fan. It is Fantasy, and look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like pink, starfish, and just all the nautical things. Oh my gosh, and I got two of them, so love that. Okay, the first item is by Reza or Reza. It's R-E-Z-A, and it is the Be Obsessed Sea Spray Vacation in a Bottle for all hair types. That is so fun. I love sprays like this. Let's see if it smells like anything. Ooh, it has a really, really like good clean smell, not like overwhelming. But I'm excited to try this. I have naturally wavy curly hair, so I love trying things like this. Okay, next is by Mud Masky, and it is a vitamin infused eye serum. Reduces dark circles, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. So there is that. I wonder if we can smell it. I love smelling everything. Oh, it's got a little seal. Let's get that off. Maybe. All right, you guys, we finally got the seal off. I don't want to spread it out too much. I can't smell anything, but I guess we'll see when I use it. But there's that. Okay, next is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with Moringa and Papaya. So I'm really excited about this because in one of the previous boxes, I actually got the Pharmacy Moringa and Papaya Moisturizer. I'm so excited to use it with this cleanser because their products smell amazing. I love them. Let's smell this. It's such a good clean smell. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh, if you guys have never tried their stuff, you have to. It's so good. So it's Pharmacy with an F, F-A-R-M-A-C-Y. Go check it out. Their stuff is so amazing. I love it. Okay, and next item is by BV Beauty Vault, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. So let's open it and see what color we got. Okay, so it looks like we got a red color. So it comes with a matching lip liner. So in the liner, we have the shade Carmen. And then the lipstick is called Netty. Sorry, not Netty. Natty Nat. Super pretty. I will give it a try. I don't know that I'm going to love it. I don't normally like matte textures, especially in lipsticks. I just don't like my lips to feel dry. But I will try it and we'll see what happens. Okay. The final item is by Beauty Bakery, Better Not Bitter Flour. So this is a setting powder. You guys, look how cute their packaging is. It actually looks like a bag of flour. Now I have seen, Now, I have seen this brand at Ulta, but I will admit I've never tried it. So I got the shade Oat, which is the translucent shade. Just look when you open this. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. So there is the powder. Look at the packaging. I'm so excited to try this stuff out. Oh my goodness. And I've really been trying to find a good setting powder. It even has like nutrition facts on the side, like a bag of food. That is so cute. Okay, so let's go over all of these items with our card. Okay. So the first item on here is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Full retail is $28. So again, the pricing is not bad at all on this, and I promise you their stuff is so amazing. So the next item is the Beauty, oh my goodness, you guys. The Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. Full retail is $24. So that's not bad at all. Next is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. This goes for $63, you guys. Holy cow. Okay. The next item is the Reza Be Obsessed Sea Spray Vacation in a Bottle. This goes for $20. I'm so excited to try this. Okay. And the final item is the Beauty Vaults Erupt Lip Set. This goes for $18.50. So yeah, that is it for the July box. I cannot wait to see what I get in the August box and share that with you guys. So yeah, that's gonna be it though for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are new to this channel, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and join my family here on YouTube, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload new content. Also, if you guys are subscribed to BoxyCharm, I would love to know what you received in your June and July boxes, so let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what your favorite products were in these boxes. But that's going to be it for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.